What's up, guys and ladies? We are at Lake Nimrod today. We drove up here through Highway 7 to get here, which is the second most beautiful part of Arkansas. If you know what my first one is, just leave a comment in there and let me know what you think. But here's Lake Nimrod. We came here today to see if we can catch 5 fish for 20 pounds. I think it can be done, but gonna get the boat in the water and we'll see. Did y'all even see it? I wonder if he caught it. It jumped twice. Grabbed me in the trolling mode. I stopped it too late. Ah.